much longer, Sue?
Until we come up with a new craft idea, Sammy.
I'm tired. My body's sore.
Don't get distracted and the idea from Great Tibidaba will come to you.
Susan, here's the idea.
Huh? Another house? I like it.
Phew! All hail the Great Tibidaba, I found the way.
With inspiration, work goes faster. Hi guys, today we'll build a house.
In Ancient Town style. We didn't have this one before. Holy cannoli!
Wait, Sammy, you started from the wrong end. We still have some work before we get to the lighting.
Oh, I apologize. Maybe we should present some flowers as an excuse to all who saw this.
I'm afraid that even if we collect all the flowers from our house, it won't be enough, Sammy.
Then I'll be the main gift for today.
If you don't mind, Sam, I'd keep you for myself. I really need a good friend and a crafter like you.
Oh, good macaroons. I just love to hear it.
Sammy, you didn't mention that Happy will move into this house. Is it for him?
Whoopsie, I almost forgot about him. Happy buddy, where are ya?
Guys, if you don't remember who Happy is, then watch our video with the mini camper. The link will be in the description box. The thumbs up button is also in that area. There will be lots of soft furniture in this house, so let's place the cushions on the armchair and the sofa right away. Awesome!
Sue, I haven't found Happy yet, but look what I assembled.
Oh, great, Sammy. It came out cozy, right?
Oh, Susan, help me put this table somewhere or we'll fall.
Ah, got it.
Whoa, what a spacious rack.
I already know what to put here. Check out these beautiful plates.
Whoa, amazing. It's a waste to eat cakes from them.
If you didn't know, that's the highest praise from Sam. Sammy, what should we put here?
Flower pots? No. Books? Nope. Just pots. Oh, I'm puzzled.
Since you can't make up your mind, we'll just put everything together like this.
Sue, hurry up. I already assembled almost all the furniture and you filled only 2 racks.
I'll make up for that, Sammy. Let's put this here.
And a warm blanket. This way it becomes cozier. May I lay down?
Let's first finish the house. You already relaxed in lotus position 1 hour ago.
It was long ago and not true. I need to refresh myself and this sink is too small.
Sammy, what are you doing? Go to our regular bathroom and use the sink there.
It'll take too long. I don't want to miss anything. And, I guess our house lacks music.
You're right, Sammy. Otherwise, it'll be too quiet.
That's some real magic. Sue, you're doing better every time.
Thanks, Sammy. And I see you weren't fooling around, too.
There can't be too many flowers. I already feel their scent. Oh.
I'll also contribute to this botanical heaven. Let's come up with an activity for our residents.
What you think? Do I look good in this shirt?
Oh, right, checkers. Thanks, Sammy.
You're welcome, but, what did I do?
Well, in my childhood, I enjoyed playing checkers. Guys, give a thumbs up if you've ever played this game.
I never played checkers. Do I have to play like this? 1, 2, 3!
Wait, Sammy. Did you want to play pool? You'll need a different table. To play pool, you need to use cues.
And, what is checkers then? Do you need to tick off something?
Guys, I guess I'll have to explain to Sam what checkers are. We'll take a short break. Phew! The explanation of the rules took a while. We even played 1 round.
I won! The rookies are lucky.
Maybe you can be merciful and attach the stones yourself?
Okay. But only to celebrate your fail.
One less problem. Now we'll make a watermill. Now that's a real ancient city spirit. The house will be made in Oriental style, so the entrance will also be unusual. Circle means a lot in the Oriental culture and symbolizes the sky.
And here's a stairway to heaven. What you doing, Sue?
Talking about our house, and you got carried away somewhere in the middle, Sammy.
Did I lose it? Shiver me cheddars! Where is it?
Sammy, it's here. They're so forgetful. Don't panic. We'll always find a way out. We'll attach it carefully, like this. Done. Nothing to worry about.
Sue, you saved me. Have this as a token of my gratitude.
Whole tree? You're super generous, Sammy.
Sue, it all looks good, but 1 roof won't be enough for our house. Just look at all this stuff. Where will we put this?
This won't do. We need more roofs. Even more roofs.
You're so fierce, Susan. I even got goosebumps all over my jelly skin.
This will take a bit more time.
Oh, come on, Sue. We need to do something about it. There's lots of windows and I'm alone.
I'm on my way to help you. We'll put it like this. This goes here, and this one underneath.
I saw everything, Susan. It's not fair to use magic on your own.
Oh, you're right, Sammy. I agree. Let me make your window.
That's better, and I'll go have a snack.
The final touch. Done. Phew, the lighting's ready. Now we'll get to building our house and furniture arrangement.
Whoa! Whoa! There's even a pond here! I want to live here.
We already discussed this, Sammy. This house is too small, even for you.
You know how to ruin my dreams, Susan. Someday I will defo buy myself this kind of house.
Wow. Will you invite me to live with you too?
Sure, but don't get distracted now. What comes next?
We'll start with the first floor. Here we'll have 6 rooms.
Here we'll make a billiard room, a living room, and a music room. Yay, so cool!
Correct, Sammy.
Knock, knock. Slime Sam came to visit. What do you have here? You don't even have walls? We shall fix it. That's better. Oh my goodness. I'm all right.
Since we'll have one more floor, we'll install the staircase, and next to it we'll make a small closet. Just like in the Harry Potter movies, remember? The closet under the staircase. Did you start furnishing the other side of the house, Sammy?
Of course. Do you think this divider will protect from the sound of music, Sue?
I hope our residents will play only beautiful melodies, because the neighboring room will be for our guests. Check out this cherry tree on the wallpaper. And the food for our guests should be served only in beautiful tableware.
And here we'll have the billiard room, right? Let's arrange it right away.
Will do. We'll have to do something about these guys. Where should we put them?
What if we make a winter garden? It will look cool and unusual.
Yep. We'll place a shelf with plants near the window, and in the center a wooden podium. It'll look awesome.
Oopsie, I forgot to put the wall. I'll fix it.
And we'll also place the shelf with flowers. Very pretty. Just a couple touches left. And done! You were right, Sammy. This winter garden is a great idea. Let's protect these flowers so they don't get frozen from this side, too.
They will all be warm and cozy. Awesome!
A couple of seconds and the room is finished. All the sources of light are in one place, so we'll install the ceiling on the count of 2. 1, 2. Okay, 3 and 4. Now it's really done.
Oh, stop, wait! It's not ready yet. Give me a moment. Now you can look, but not for too long. We need to continue.
Now let's arrange everything here to make it cozier. Check out this unusual lamp, Sammy. What will we have here? A nightstand? I guess I know which room that would be.
What a cute bedroom! Sue, can we make the same renovation in my room?
Everything is possible, Sammy, if you pay for it from your own pocket.
Sue, you overestimate my saving abilities. Where can I find so much money?
I know where you hide all your money, Sammy. Don't sell yourself short.
Let's change the topic. The bathroom is not finished yet and the sun is setting.
Are you in a hurry? Okay, let's speed up. Think what else we're missing here.
Sue, I guess we're missing the walls here. Oh, and where's our pool? We have a free spot here. Happy, come here, boy. Where did you go?
Sam, I see that you arranged the entrance while you were looking for Happy. Maybe you need help with your search?
No, he's playing hide and seek with me. He'll come soon. I'll wait.
You're so stubborn, Sammy. Meanwhile, our lawn is getting filled with things. Here we can already play checkers. And we'll have a path for pleasant walks.
Sue, is it all right that I arranged a small garden here?
Great job, Sam, and I'll get to the pond with lotuses. It came out great. We're at the finish line. Sammy, show me what you have here. Wow, so beautiful. You should become a landscape designer.
Really? I will add this to my 5-year plan list.
I'll try to match up to you. The house is almost ready. I can't wait to see the result. We just have to install the roofs. Do you think our viewers will like it?
Sure, Sue.
Let's hurry up and open it.
sketch paradise.
Guys, if you like this craft, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And now let's jump on the toy bed.
Sammy, we just built it. Be careful.
Just kidding. Bye, guys.